Hello, welcome guys. So welcome to my GRE solving section. So today we want to solve the 53. So basically let R be a field of real numbers, and R is a ring of polynomial with coefficient. So which one of the following is a subset? The following subset is a subring. So the first one is all polynomial with relation f coefficient of x is 0. So f is a subring if. So basically you need to check that a plus b is in S and a b is in S. Also 0 is in S. So these three properties is we need to check. Okay, so the first one, I think the first one is okay. Everybody knows about. Let me show you why. So basically, the first one is the polynomial with coefficient x is 0. So basically, I can say the first one is span of the constant square cube. So basically, if I view R of x as a vector space, basically S is a subspace of R of x. So that means this one is correct, this one is correct. And you can easily check that a times b, if I give you two polynomial which the coefficient x is 0, when you times it, then coefficient x is still 0. And the reason is that if you have two polynomial, you have something, but the x coefficient is a0, b1 and b1, a1, b0, but b1 and a1 is 0, 0. So this is close. Second, all the polynomial whose degree is even integer together with the 0 polynomial. So S is a n xn up to a0, n is even, union with 0. And ask about whether S is a subring. Answer is false. And the reason is simple, that basically x squared plus x plus 1 belong to S, and then minus x squared plus 1 belongs to S. So if added together, you get x plus 2 not belong to S. So this is not okay. And all the polynomial whose coefficient are rational numbers, this is okay, because Q of x is a sub-polynomial ring. So it definitely is a subring of the R of x. So the answer is C. And then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.